You're annoyed that you can't unblock or play Roblox on your school Chromebook. I'm going to show you 3+ different ways on how to do that. And all you're going to want to do is go to the Google Docs, and from here you can see primary links and secondary links. And if your school are stupid, then if you go to the primary links and you press on it, it will say redirecting, and then all of these games are right here. Press Roblox, press play now, and that will work. But for most of you, this method won't work, so this is where the secondary links come in. So if you go back to the Google Docs and see secondary links, press any of these secondary links, and there's loads and loads of different ones. And you can see YouTube here. Don't press that, and just press go to site, and then you get brought to this thing called Utopia, or a different one. When you are here, you're going to want to go back to the Google Doc and copy and paste the primary link. And then when you copy and paste the primary link, you want to copy it, and then you want to paste it into the Utopia section, into the search bar part of it. And then when you do that, you can see Roblox right here, and then all you want to do is log in and log into your account, and you can make it full screen or do whatever, and it will be unblocked. And yeah, thank you for watching, and subscribe for more content.